Many Maytag washers, especially models from 2000-2015, like Neptune, Bravos, and Centennial series, suffer from drive hub problems. The drive hub gets stuck on the transmission shaft, preventing the washer from agitating or spinning. This is often due to corrosion, soap buildup, or wear. Fixing this restores the washer's ability to properly wash clothes. Here's a schematic showing the key parts of a Maytag washer. This shows the drive hub, the part that often gets stuck. Corrosion is a common cause of the drive hub getting stuck. The repair involves carefully removing the stuck hub to restore function. If your Maytag washer isn't spinning or agitating, a stuck drive hub is a likely culprit. Check for these symptoms. The tub doesn't spin during the spin cycle. The agitator doesn't move during the wash cycle. You hear loud grinding noises. The agitator feels loose or has excessive play. These all point to a potential drive hub problem. Before starting the Maytag drive hub repair, gather these essential tools to ensure a smooth process. The hub nut wrench is used to loosen and remove the hub nut securely, also called a spanner wrench. The hammer is needed for gentle tapping to loosen stuck components. The penetrating oil is like PB Blaster applied to break free rust and corrosion. The screwdriver is for removing screws during disassembly. The pulley puller is maybe needed to remove pulleys or bearings if required. The magnetic retrieval tools is help retrieve small metal parts that might drop. The digital torque wrench ensures proper tightening during reassembly to prevent damage. Make sure you have all these tools prepared before you start the repair process. First, disconnect the power and water supply to your washer. Tilt the washer back to access the underside. Then remove the agitator cap and bolt. This will expose the hub nut, which secures the drive hub to the transmission shaft. This is the area we will be working on. Apply penetrating oil to the hub nut and let it soak for several hours or even overnight. This will help loosen the nut by breaking down corrosion and rust. Use the hub wrench to loosen the nut counterclockwise. Turn it carefully to avoid stripping the threads. This may require significant force as the nut has been stuck for a long time. Apply steady pressure while turning. If the nut is extremely stubborn, consider using a breaker bar for added leverage. This tool provides more torque without damaging the components. Once the nut is loose, remove it along with any washers. Then carefully remove the drive hub from the shaft. You may need to gently tap it with a hammer or use a pulley puller if it's tightly stuck. Inspect the hub for any signs of damage, such as stripped threads or corrosion. If the old hub is damaged or corroded, it needs to be replaced. Check the hub for any signs of wear or rust that could cause future issues. Before installing the new hub, apply anti-seize lubricant to the transmission shaft. This prevents the hub from sticking again in the future. Now install the new drive hub onto the transmission shaft, ensuring it sits properly. Reassemble the washer components and tighten the hub nut securely. Follow the manufacturer's recommended torque specification. If available, use a digital torque wrench to ensure proper tightness and avoid damage. After reassembly, reconnect the power and water supply to the washer. Run a test cycle to verify the washer agitates and spins correctly. Important tip: always unplug the washer before starting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Avoid forcing any parts, as this could damage the transmission. Consider using natural corrosion removers like vinegar for cleaning. If the problem persists, consult a professional appliance repair technician.